How to stream Netflix on different devices. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To stream your Netflix on different devices, it is basically the easiest thing to do. All you need to do is get yourself a Netflix application in your mobile device or in your PC. Or you can even check out the Netflix website. Now, first and foremost, in order to stream Netflix on different devices, you need to sign in with your account. Once logged in, you will be in your Netflix account. Now, all you need to do is simply sign in to every other devices where you want to stream your Netflix. If you are an Android user like me, you can easily get a Netflix app from your Play Store. If you are an iOS user, just get it from your App Store or Safari. Likewise, if you are using a PC, you can easily visit netflix.com or you can even purchase the app if it is available in your PC store. And that is how you'll be able to stream Netflix on different devices. And that brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.